Sungalahli ithemba bafoqinisela Zikinga ipheli bafongicela ubambelele Bekezela Sawuqinisele Bekezela Alingulahli ithemba bekezela Baningi bafuna ukubona uphumelela Alingulahli ithemba bekezela Baningi bafuna ukubona uphumelela
My blood is flooding, oh why? My pain is pouring like rain. I need me that Mary Jane. Even though life's not the same, I put my love on the frame. I'm not prepared for the fame. I would be glad if they came, cause damn that shit keeps me sane. I try to make sure I'm safe, I try to change all my ways, but I gotta stick to making sure everything I do pays. Play my life, don't decay. Financially I might say, but every man has his day. No matter what they all say. Wait, is it my time to shine? Bro, I'm not a rapper, but I got the rhymes. Gotta get that cheddar, it's not like this ain't no feather. Running for my brothers, better write down for your brothers too.
Repeating the same shit, the ball always legit. I can never miss some beat. Rushing teams, my dog, I get you messed up, period. Never lose focus on goals, so pumelet. It's really so amazing to see y'all supporting me. And I'm going in, the squad keeping it real. People never know that we love this shit deep. They say whatever we do, make sure that you loving it, yeah. I be killing it. Guess the boy always got that hunger speaking deep. Flow with it, call me if you really need me. And solo right here with my niggas feeling it.